Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Taylor. I'm a part-time Poshmark reseller, and today I have to ship out about 15 items, so we're gonna do that together behind me. And then I'm gonna head upstairs, and I wanted to do about 10 listings on Poshmark. I ended up going to the bins 2 days ago, and I got some new things, so I can show you guys those while I list them. So let's get into it. Okay, so I always do my shipping at my dining room table, and I always just have all of my supplies in these little drawers here. So I have 3 different sized like mailers. I have the small bag, a medium bag, and then a bigger bag. It's this big. And then I also just save boxes like from Amazon or just anything to use for bigger items. Because ever since Poshmark stopped doing priority shipping, I've had to buy these mailers. So it kind of stinks because it's an extra cost, whereas before the priority mailers were free, but now I'm having to buy these mailers, so that kind of stinks. But I just ordered them on Amazon. So I already pulled the items that sold from downstairs in my inventory. I also have all of this. And then I also printed off all of my labels using my Dymo printer. Okay, so let's start shipping these things away. So this is a Loft or Lou and Gray turtleneck sweater. I just picked this up at the bins last week, and this item sold 2 or 3 days after I listed it. Okay, the next item that sold was this shapeless Free People Beach jumpsuit. This sold so fast after I listed it. Maybe like a day. I think it was even same day, to be honest. Another Free People item. This is a cardigan. This sold again so quickly after I listed it, guys. Shipping out this Decathlon 100% down puffer jacket for men. This was in size extra large. Again, I got this in the bins and it sold very fast. The next item that sold were these 2 Nike sports bras. I found these in the bins. They were just like from the same donator, like kind of together in a pile. And I wouldn't have bought them individually, but because they were the same size and they were in the bins, I figured I could just bundle them up and they would sell. And sure enough, they did probably a week after I listed them. So really happy with that. I didn't get a ton for them, but I probably paid less than $1 for these 2 items in the bins. Next, another Free People item. This is a Free People thermal. This sold maybe 2 days after I listed it on Poshmark for $25. Okay, I have this MGNY, I think it's like Madeline something, I can't remember the full, Madeline Gardner dress. And I got this at a regular Goodwill, so I probably paid about $7 or $8 for it. Now, when I got it, I thought that it was, like a midi length dress, but then once I got home and looked at the stock photos, it was supposed to be maxi length, and then somebody did, they hemmed the dress. So I did have to put that in the listing and say that it was like hemmed and that kind of thing. So wasn't too happy, but because of that I did get you know, kind of a lower offer, which was totally fine. I was expecting that because it was technically like damaged, I would say, because it was supposed to be maxi. Okay, next was this Quince 100% cashmere cardigan. This was super cute, guys. Again, this sold, I would say 5 days, maybe a week. Actually, yeah, probably, maybe it was more like a week, I would say. A week after I listed it. So, I mean, again, this is a great turnaround. I'm just super happy with that. I think I paid about $7 for this item in the Goodwill. Next, I have these Talbot's pants. These are both the same size, the same style. They're like the Chatham ankle. Both of them are a 14 petite, but they're just two different colors. So again, got these in the bins, and you know, I knew that if they were the same size, same style, maybe somebody needs a new career pant, something like that, I could lot them up and sell them. Now, again, if I would have just found one, you know, I probably wouldn't have got it. But since I found the two, then that I think is more sellable. Next was this Magnolia Lane Masters Golf woman's, you know, like cardigan sweater. This, again, you guys saw me pick this up in a thrift with me. I mean, I think that was like a couple months ago, maybe 2 months ago, I would say. So, I mean, I'm pretty happy with this turnaround and sale. Okay, this item took so long to sell. This is a sailor, like I want to say it's like a bridal sleeveless jumpsuit. So it's really cute and like nice, and I know feathers, guys, are supposed to be really in for 2016. 2016, oh my gosh, 2026. I heard feathers are supposed to be in, so maybe that's why this sold now. But yeah, I definitely had this for, I would say 2 years, and I got this in the bins. So, you know, this definitely took a little bit longer to sell, but that's okay. Next, I have this J. Crew swimsuit. It's just like this one piece, and it had the straps. I got this in the bins. I think I picked this up in the springtime, like last spring. So, you know, again, this wasn't something super quick, but, you know, kind of like a bread and butter piece. Next, I have these Beta brand extra large long, just kind of like a career pant. This brand used to do really, really well. I mean, you guys, I still am picking this up. I feel like it's doing okay. I think I listed these maybe 2 weeks ago, if I had to guess. So, you know, I'm totally good with this kind of turnaround and sale. I got these in the bins. There was a couple of them all together. You know? Okay, next I sold this Athleta. It's kind of like a longer puffer Sherpa jacket, like a hybrid. I think that was the name. It was like the hybrid jacket, because the back paneling is like that, and then there's like Sherpa in the front. This was in a size large. I paid $12.80 for this item at a regular Goodwill, and it sold for $125. And I would say it sold, I would say week and a half, 2 weeks after I listed it. Okay, next item I need to ship out is this Universal Works Merino Wool Blend men's cardigan. This sold so quickly. I got this in the bins. I do want to run the sweater shaver over just in a few spots because of the wool. Okay, that was the last one. So yeah, I'm gonna put all these in a basket. Let me see. Okay, so I have all of my items here. I just need to drop them off at the post office, so I'm gonna do that later. But let's head upstairs. Actually, I'm gonna quickly clean up. I have all these little papers everywhere and like the plastic baggies that I was using, so I'm gonna quickly clean up and then we're gonna head upstairs and do some listings. Okay, it's a little bit later and I'm gonna try to get 8 to 10 listings done. So let's do it. Okay, how cool was this find? So I found this in the bin, so I probably paid like $1 for it. It was this vintage 1950s corset, and this brand, Camp, you have to be on the lookout for because these corsets are going for a lot of money. It took me a while to figure out how to properly wear this, but I did find some ads from, you know, like the 1950s from this brand, and I was able to kind of figure it out. I was kind of lucky that it also was fitting me. It was a little bit small. I think a little bit of a larger size would have done, I would have fit into it better, but it was still fun to try on. Next, I listed this Amour Vert 100% wool cardigan. I don't know if that brand's doing so well anymore. I'm gonna try it out. I did pay like $5 or $6 for it. And then next I have these Lululemon Dance Studio joggers. I found these at a Plato's. I probably paid like, I would say like $10 for them. And I originally bought them for me, but you know, I put them in my closet and I really wasn't reaching for them, so I just decided to throw them up on a listing. And then next I have this Uniqlo wool cashmere men's medium, like a peacoat, just a really classic piece, well made, so I decided to pick that up at a Goodwill. And then next, this is another piece from my closet. I kind of was going through my items. This is a Free People softly structured turtleneck. It did have like a small hole in the front, so that's why I listed it so low. And then I also picked up this Hugo Boss cashmere wool peacoat from the bins, actually. So this was one of the items I got a few days ago. So that was a really good bins find that I was able to list. And then this is also from my wardrobe. It's just an Athleta, you know, like Brahmi or crop top. Okay, so I ended up taking some photos. I think it was like 7 listings maybe, which is fine. So if you guys enjoyed this video, definitely subscribe to my channel and also drop in the comments what are some fun, interesting, like vintage pieces that you have picked up recently. I'm always curious about that because vintage is my favorite thing to sell for sure, but yeah, I sell, you know, everything like modern clothing and everything, but vintage is definitely just has a nice place in my heart. I love it. But okay, I will catch you guys on the next one. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Bye.